How to log chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to log chats on WhatsApp, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure you've updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version, because this is a new feature. After that, simply open up WhatsApp, head over to the chat that you might want to log. Then just tap on the chat name from the top of the screen. Then you want to simply scroll. You'll find this option known as chat log. You want to make sure to just tap on it. Here you can see log this chat with Face ID or fingerprint depending upon what device you use. You'll find this option here. Tap on OK and confirm with your fingerprint such as this, and this chat will be successfully logged, as you can see here. If you just come back here, you'll be able to see the log chat section over here, and this way you can actually log chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.